welcome back to So Random. And today we will be testing the strength of a mini Eggo confetti pancake. Yeah. So it will be going up against water, milk, and raspberry syrup.
Let's get started.
So we have our water and our pancake. Now, let's get started. Oh, it's moving around. Okay. Let's start off with half a minute. So, it is done. It did nothing. Let us poke the pancake. Not a spoon. It's soft. Oh. It's very soft. Okay.
It's falling apart.
So, the pancake has lasted. No, we messed up. So, we have the milk with most of it out and the pancake. Let's take the fork out. We don't want to cause an explosion. Yeah. Okay. Finger stuck. Okay. Boom, boom, boom.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah! Okay. Dun-dun, 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 dun-dun. Okay. Let us see. It's definitely not as mushy as it was. Like that side, okay, this side is really mushy. This side is just the same because it wasn't really in the milk. Now on to the next. So I'm actually going to use a new pancake because this one we don't want to, you know, submerge the pancake. Ooh. Ooh, wow. That tastes good. So.
Hello, Lettuce. She's tracking down our scraps of food we left.
So, let us see what has happened. Wow. Seems the pancake has absorbed the stuff and now made it very red. Actually, let's see the inside and see if the inside is also red. Oh, that's really hot. Gosh. The inside is kind of red. It has like a slimy thing on top.
We have made a red pancake.
Nice.
Should test how it tastes.
Oh, yes. I bet it tastes great. Ah, hot. That's actually really good. If you have many...
Let the cameraman taste.
Eggo.
I'm getting a different fork though.
If you have mini Eggo confetti pancakes at your house and snow cone syrup, try it at home. Yeah, try it at home. It's very good.
It looks really good.
So, yeah. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe so we can do more cool videos. The more subscribers we have, the cooler, crazier things we can do. Why are you backing up? So, see you next time.